Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review FieldEdge. FieldEdge is a popular field service management software made for contractors, especially in HVAC, plumbing, and electrical businesses. It helps you manage work orders, dispatch technicians, and track jobs in real time. One of its biggest strengths is how smooth it connects office staff with field workers. Technicians can see job details, customer history, and even collect payments through the mobile app. It also syncs well with QuickBooks, which makes accounting easier for small businesses. Scheduling and dispatching are made super simple with its drag-and-drop calendar. It also sends automated appointment reminders to customers. The dashboard gives a clear view of performance, sales, and job status. FieldEdge saves time on paperwork because everything is digital, from quote to invoices. The mobile app works well, even in areas with spotty service and updates once the internet is available. Customer support is responsive and helpful, especially during onboarding. The software does have a learning curve, but FieldEdge provides plenty of training resources. Some users say it's a bit pricey, but many agree it's worth the investment for the features. Overall, it boosts efficiency, improves communication, and helps businesses grow. If you're in the service industry, FieldEdge could be a smart choice. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.